25 great burgers with endless fries starting at $5.99. The new Rugus Beef.
Yep. Trying. Yep.
Videography.
I have to go get another beer.
Well, I thought I was going to have a stogie.
Stogie, is that what your term for spare ribs?
Oh, thank you, honey. Hey, that's not bad, eh? That's cool.
No.
I said, you don't think there's a company that I don't want to see my time either. That's going to happen. Oh, Lord, life is fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anything bigger than that, I guess you...
Doesn't have the memory address and it's not that complicated. We got 2 minutes in here almost.
Yeah. And then there's an exposure. I think the exposure is bad on it because of the light in here.
I adjusted the exposure, yeah. I raised it like 0.5 lumens.
Where was it?
It's right underneath the VGA setting.
Yeah. But where, like, it gives you about six settings. Is it zooming?
No, it's not zooming.
Back or forward?
Doesn't look like it wants to do it.